Hi everyone, Dalis here. You might know me as Damper Girl for Kat Scrappiness, and today I am introducing the new Tuck It In craft die from Kat Scrappiness. This craft die coordinates perfectly with Carrot Fun, and it coordinates perfectly, and they are meant to create little mounds of dirt where you can put your adorable carrots in. Okay, so of course it could be used for any other things like little mounds of dirt. You can use it for the beach, for a terrain, for a landscape. You get all these little pieces that you can place wherever you want, to place one carrot, to place multiple carrots. And today I will be showing you how the creative team members use this Tuck It In die set. Let me give you some measurements. Our little mound of dirt is 5 1/4. And then it's going to be about 5/8 of an inch. And then these other ones have different sizes, and you can locate them and put them wherever you want. So this card is made using the Tuck It In craft dies and the Carrot Fun. They are both brand new releases at Kat Scrappiness for the Easter release. It also has the Valentine sentiments, and I will make sure that if you're in YouTube, you get links for 2 of it. So they all can be pulled out, interactive, except for the big one. And I did put a bit of 3D foam in that one, but not on the rest. So there's a lot of dimension in this card. Okay, I really hope you enjoy this, and you go check it out at the store.
Next are some samples from the creative crew.